Welcome to AT Math Academy. Topic for today is a rational expression and solving the value for that expression. So my expression here is 5 by x plus 6 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by x minus 3. So in this rational expression, we are going to find the value of x. So when you observe here, we have three terms in this expression, which is 5 by x plus 6 and 1 by 2 and 1 by x minus 3. So we are adding these two fractions in which there is variable and constants. So in order to do so, we have different denominators. For first term, the denominator is x plus 6, and for second term, the denominator is 2. So to get the common denominator, we need to multiply these two denominators. X plus 6 into 2 is the common denominator here. So for the first term, I have 5 by x plus 6, and for it to become the common denominator x plus 6 into 2, I need to multiply this entire fraction with 2. So when I do so, x plus 6 gets multiplied with 2, and for the numerator, I need to take 5 and gets multiplied with 2. And I have the addition sign here, plus, and the next number here I have is 1, and when you observe the denominator is 2. So this particular fraction has the common denominator 2, but it is missing x plus 6. So I need to multiply the numerator with x plus 6 because the denominator is already multiplied. 2 is already multiplied with x plus 6. So this is how you rewrite this fraction for the common denominator. And here to the right hand side I have x minus 3. And when you move forward here, we have 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1 time x is x plus 1 times 6 is 6. And here on the denominator, I have 2 into x plus 6 is equal to 1 by x minus 3. So 10 plus 6 is 16. But what you can do is you can cross multiply these two terms. So then you will be having 10 plus x plus 6 into x minus 3 is equal to 2 into x plus 6. So you have it like this, and when you observe here, we have x plus 6 and x plus 6. So 10 into, you are now multiplying this x minus 3 with this term here. So which means 10 is getting multiplied with x minus 3, and we have x plus 6 is also getting multiplied with x minus 3. And here we have 2 into x plus 6. So when you closely observe this function above, we can expand it as 10 times x is 10x and 10 times 3 is 30. And when you multiply this two terms, x plus 6 into x minus 3, we get x into x is x square, and x into minus 3 is minus 3x, and 6 into x is 6x, 6 into minus 3 is minus 18 is equal to 2x plus 12. So we will be taking the like terms on one side and unlike terms on another side. So my first value is x square, and I'll be regrouping all my x's here. When I regroup all of my x's, I'll be having 10x minus 3x, which is 7x. 7x plus 6x is 13x. So 13x equal to 2x here. 2x, when it comes to the another side, it becomes 2x minus 13x minus 2x, which is 11x. And for the constants, I have minus 30, minus 18 and 12. Minus 30 minus 18 is minus 48, and plus 12, when it comes to the opposite side, it becomes minus 12. So when I add, it becomes minus 60 equal to 0. So this is the quadratic expression that I got after simplifying this expression. So now I'm going to find out the roots for this expression. So let me take the expression x square plus 11x minus 60 equal to 0. So for finding the roots for this expression, we need to multiply these values here. 1 into minus 60 is minus 60 and 11 here in the middle, 11x. So we need to think of two numbers such that when they are multiplied, I need to get it as minus 60 x squared, and when I add the two numbers, I need to get it as 11x. So you can take it as 15 and 4. 15 minus 4 is 11 and 15 times 4 is 60. So I can take one of the number as negative sign because I need to get it as minus 60x, and when I add it should be 15 minus 4 is 11. So let me write the expression x squared plus 15x minus 4x minus 60 equal to 0. So when you observe in these two terms, I can take x as common and x plus 15. In these two terms, I can take minus 4 as common and I can write it as x plus 15 equal to 0. So when you observe from these two terms, I can take x plus 15 as common and I get it as x minus 4 equal to 0. So I should be equating x plus 15 equal to 0. I will be getting x equal to minus 15 and x minus 4 equal to 0. X is equal to 4. So x equal to 4 and x equal to minus 15. So minus 15 and 4. These are the two values for the x. So this is how you solve it. Let me explain it once again. So I'm taking my common denominators as multiplying these two denominators, 2 into x plus 6, and multiplying the numerators with the missing numbers of the denominator. So here in the first term 5 by x plus 6, the 2 is missing. So I'm multiplying this fraction with 2. So 5 times 2 by x plus 6 into 2 plus 1 into, here the denominator is 2 and the common denominator is 2 into x plus 6. So I need to multiply this 1 by 2 with x plus 6. So 1 into x plus 6 by x plus 6 into 2 is equal to 1 by x minus 3. Then 5 times 2 is 10, 1 times x is x, 1 times 6 is 6. And I have the denominator as 2 into x plus 6 equal to this. So now I am cross multiplying this. So 10 plus x plus 6 is multiplied with x minus 3. And here 1 is multiplied with 2 into x plus 6, which gives us 2 into x plus 6. So I am taking each of the terms here and multiplying with x minus 3. So 10 into x minus 3 plus x is multiplied with x minus 3 and 6 is multiplied with x minus 3. So I am writing it as x plus 6 into x minus 3 is equal to 2 into x plus 6. And now 10 into x is 10x minus 30 plus, for multiplying these two numbers, I need to take each of the value in this first expression and multiply with every term in the second expression. So x is multiplied with x, I get x squared. X is multiplied with minus 3, I get it as minus 3x. Now moving forward, I have positive sign and 6. Now I'm going to take 6 and multiply with every term in the second expression. So plus 6 into x is plus 6x, plus 6 into minus 3 is minus 18, equal to 2 times x is 2x plus 12. So now I'm regrouping my expression values. Here when you observe in this entire expression, I only have one x squared, so x squared plus. For how did I get 11x here? So 10x minus 3x is 7x, 7x plus 6x is 13x, 13x equal to 2x. 2x has positive sign here. When it goes to the other side of the equation, it becomes negative. So 13x minus 2x gives me 11x, and for the constants I have minus 30 minus 18, which is minus 48, and I have it here as 12. So 12, I'm getting it to the left hand side of the equation, it becomes minus 12. 48 minus 48 and minus 12 is minus 60. So finally I have simplified this expression into the quadratic expression x squared plus 11x minus 60. Now I'm going to think of two numbers such that I can find the value of x. So when I multiply 15 into minus 4, I get the 1 into minus 60, which is minus 60 x squared. the value is matching. And for getting 11x, 15 minus 4 is 11, so 15x minus 4x gives me 11x. Hence it is satisfying. So I took the two numbers as 15x and minus 4x, and when I take x as common in these two terms, I am getting x into x plus 15, and from here I am taking minus 4 into x plus 15. So when you closely observe, these two terms have x plus 15 as common, and I am left over with x minus 4. So now I am equating each of the terms to 0. X plus 15 equal to 0 gives me x value as minus 15, and x minus 4 equal to 0 gives me x value of 4. So the values for this expression, the x values are x is equal to minus 15 and 4. This is how you find it. Hope you all like my video, and please subscribe to AT Math Academy and enjoy doing math at AT. Thank you all for taking time to watch my video. Thank you all again.